like crazy. But my lashes are done, period. So, I didn't get to, I wanted to film me getting my lashes done, today as well, but it was a lot going on. I had to go to the post office and get some packages this morning. Oh my god, my hands are so ashy. I should be embarrassed. I hope you guys can't, my boobs are like literally about to pop out of my shirt. I don't be trying to show my boobs off. I really don't. I know people be thinking, dang, like why she got her titties all out, but they just pop out on their own. I really can't help it. But yeah, guys, I got my lashes done. If you can see them, they look good or whatever. Ooh. But now I'm getting my hair done. Gotta get this hair done. If you guys don't know, I did dye and cut my hair, so yeah. It's a little dry now because I blow dried it. I have to brush it out before she gets here. I don't like my hair being any kind of tangle when people touch it because I'm already tender-headed. So I have to brush it out before she gets here. But I just got home from my lash appointment. I am waiting on her to get here and to do my hair. So in the meantime, I'm just going to get the hair together, clean up a little bit, maybe eat something because I haven't ate all day and I'm really hungry. And yeah, let's go, guys. Packaging. Oh, it is. Okay. So yeah, I got this wig from Beauty Forever, and I'm gonna be getting it installed today, so it's gonna look super bomb. Oops, something just fell off of it. So here's the packaging. Beauty Forever. And then we're gonna open this thing up. My titties are just, them things stanging. Okay. Dang. And the crazy thing is I need a new bra because like you see that dip where my bra is and where my boob is. My bras are all getting like way too small. Open up the package, and of course I got my little packing slip, a little return card or whatever. I'm not returning it. They sent me some lashes. I'm not gonna wear them, but I appreciate the effort. A wig cap, which I always am in need of, and then just a little, you know, all about me card or whatever. Oh my god, that's Aaliyah's face. I love her. Hey girl. Let me show you guys the wig. This is the wig. I don't remember what inch I got this in, but knowing me, I probably got like a 24 or a 26 if I could. But here she is. I think this is gonna be so cute, fresh out the packaging. Okay, this is my first time seeing it too. Oh my gosh, really? Ooh, she is soft, honey. And long, period. It says that it comes pre-plucked, and as far as I can tell, it does. Y'all probably can't even see that. Y'all probably can't even see that. But as far as I can tell, it does come pre-plucked. but I'm pretty sure that this is like 24, 26 inch and 180% density. I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, you know, a little bit more full, so I got it in a thicker density. I'm not gonna do anything with it. Monel, she's gonna come through and she's gonna slay me. She's gonna bleach it, pluck it, do all that stuff. I do wish that the little blonde streak was a little less harsh. Like, dang, okay, we get it. You're blonde, you're here. But whatever, it's gonna look cute on, and let's do this. Aha.
China bitch.
Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. Unfortunately, my camera died soon after this and we didn't even notice, but you guys did not miss much. After cutting the lace, she just laid my baby hairs down and we were lit, okay? I will be sure to leave her information below. She is a stylist in Atlanta, so be sure to hit her up. And of course, I will have all the details and the links to this Beauty Forever wig in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Of course, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.